AMC 2020 Upper Primary, Question 30. Writing one digit every second, you have half an hour to list as many of the counting numbers as you can, starting 1, 2, 3. At the end of half an hour, what number will you have finished writing? We start off with 30 minutes because we need to remember that. That's the most important fact. So 60 seconds, minutes, or 1 minute times 30 equals 1,800 digits. Okay. From 1 to 9, there are 9 digits. Simple. Then from 10 to 99, we have 90 digits. Yep, we have 90 digits. But we have to times that by 2, so 180 digits. So 1,000, now we have to subtract because 3 digits might go too far. So 1,800 minus 189 equals 1,611. Now, we're moving on to 3 digits, and since there are 3 parts in the 3 numbers, we have to divide 1,611 by 3. So, dividing this, we can do 16 divided by 3 is 5. Then 1, so remainder 1, we get 11 divided by 3 is 3. So that's 21 divided by 3 is 537. So there's 537 numbers remaining. So we know that 100 is 1, 101 is 2. So we have to remember we're continuing from 99. So instead we can move to 100 plus 536 because we gave 1 to 99, so that became 100. So 100 plus 536 equals 636. So the answer is 636. The final option is 636.